is a prison, with nothing but chains and wardens, balls and steel, cages and people that rage, viruses and diseases that swirl, seductive temptations that twirl. This world is a prison. It has always tried to hold us back. Problems and new scenarios, constantly trying to keep us in a stack. In a stack of names and numbers, in a stack of statistics and equations. I won't let it faze me. This world is a prison. I won't let it stop me. Nothing can halt my advance but a blade or a bullet. As long as my heart beats, I will continue to move like the stock market. My journey is rising and falling, twisting and turning, wishing and winding with the wind. Yet every 20 years all you will see is growth. This world is a prison. The key is dangling so near. Limbs and fingers twitch with fear. Like a tree, swaying in the wind. There is only one person who can free you. That person is you.